Do you wake up in the morning, catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and think, what is happening to me? Do your joints ache before you've even had your first cup of tea? Do you look at old photographs and feel a quiet ache, wondering where that person went? The one with bright eyes, firm skin, and seemingly endless energy. If that resonates, I want you to know you're not powerless. Because aging isn't simply something that happens to you. It's something profoundly influenced by what you put into your body every single day. The patients in my clinic who look and feel vibrant well into their 70s aren't taking magic pills. They're eating the right foods, consistently. Stay with me because today I'm sharing 5 of the most powerful natural foods science backs as genuine age-reversing allies for anyone over 60. Why aging accelerates after 60? After 60, several things happen simultaneously. Collagen production declines by roughly 1% per year. Chronic low-grade inflammation begins smouldering in the background. The gut becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients. And the telomeres, are those protective caps on your chromosomes, shorten progressively. The result? You feel it in your energy, see it in your skin, and feel it in your joints. But here's what most people don't realize. All of these processes are profoundly influenced by nutrition. The right foods can reduce inflammation, stimulate collagen synthesis, and genuinely slow cellular aging. This is peer-reviewed science, not wishful thinking. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the molecules that break down collagen and accelerate skin aging. Think of free radicals as internal rust and anthocyanins as the rust inhibitor. They also improve circulation, and good blood flow to the skin produces that natural radiance no highlighter can replicate. Research from Tufts University links regular blueberry consumption to sharper memory and reduced cognitive decline in older adults. A handful 5 times a week is all it takes. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds available through food alone. They interrupt inflammatory processes at a cellular level, protecting collagen, reducing joint stiffness, and restoring the skin's moisture barrier from the inside out. Fatty fish also provides astaxanthin, a carotenoid antioxidant found in salmon that some studies suggest is up to 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C. Aim for 2 to 3 portions per week. 3. Avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, avocados maintain the integrity of cell membranes and hydrate skin at a deeper level than most topical moisturizers. They're also an excellent source of vitamin C, a direct cofactor in collagen synthesis. Your body simply cannot make collagen without it. One study found that women who ate avocado daily for just 8 weeks showed measurably increased skin firmness and elasticity. 1/2 to 1 avocado per day is a perfectly reasonable therapeutic dose. 4. Green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, one of the most extensively studied antioxidants in nutritional science. It protects telomeres from premature shortening, encourages skin cell regeneration, and reduces UV-induced damage. It also contains L-theanine, which lowers cortisol, because chronic stress is one of the most powerful accelerators of cellular aging known to medicine. 3 to 4 cups daily, brewed at around 80 degrees Celsius to preserve the catechins. Skip the milk, it binds to catechins and reduces their effectiveness. 5. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, rocket, calorie for calorie. These are the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They provide vitamin K for skin elasticity, folate for DNA repair, beta-carotene for skin cell turnover, and lutein to protect both eyes and skin from oxidative damage. Vitamin A derived from beta-carotene encourages the shedding of old, damaged skin cells and the growth of fresh ones. Essentially, what retinol creams try to replicate synthetically. 2 to 3 generous portions weekly, ideally with a drizzle of olive oil to improve absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 5 foods, all accessible, all legit. Your skin is a diary. It records everything you eat, how you sleep, and how much stress you carry. The good news is that diaries can be rewritten. Research shows measurable improvements in skin quality and inflammation, markers in adults over 60 within just 8 to 12 weeks of dietary change. Start with one food this week. Build from there. You have far more control over how you age than you think. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video from Health in Minutes. This is Health in Minutes. See you in the next one.